So once I've got the look of what I want my sheet to look like, I'm going to start adding some things in. So if you go to insert, you can see that we can add tick boxes. They just make a really good adding for a to-do list. We can tick them, make it look like we've done something. But also you'll notice I've got these tags. So I will want to know what different kinds of tasks I've got, if they're for home, family, health, and that will help me. So I can type these in, I can add the options from my drop down, but actually what we can also do is drop down from a range. And what this allows us to do is pick a range, which means it will automatically update if I just change the range as opposed to going in each drop down box and changing it. So what does that mean? Well, if I choose my custom sheet here, I've got the range that I'm going to be using. So I've typed in all of the different categories it might fit into, I choose the range, I click done. Now if I go back to my to-do list, you'll see that I've got all of those options on my drop down. If I go back to my custom and changed something on that, so I've just put different in here, we can now see that it changes on the drop down, which means I wouldn't have to go back into each one. I could change them as different things come in or different things are added or change that range. It just makes changing and adapting a lot easier. You can see the drop downs, I can do different styles. I had it on a chip. You can also do arrows, you can have plain text. So it just allows you to customize what it looks like. It allows you to add these tags, and then we can use these later for the rest of our to-do list to really help us get on top of what we've got to do and what kind of categories they fill into. Thank you for joining this journey, all about how to use Google Sheets to make our to-do list. Keep joining for the next instalment.